this is about the launch of the world's first database for the cloud, which is the Oracle 12c. In fact, the world has been waiting for a multi-tenanted database for the past 1 decade. There have been multi-tenanted applications since about 2000 or 2001, so about 10-12 years. But they have always not been able to scale the way they have wanted to scale because of the challenges that multi-tenanted applications are faced, and those challenges were of security, of privacy of data, of integrity of data, and of pure scalability of the application. All of them were waiting for some amount of change in the way databases were architected and brought multi-tenancy into the database. Now, Oracle was the one organization that could have done it, maybe even a decade ago, but then Oracle very rarely does something which is not fully tested. So Oracle actually started on this journey in 2005-2006 and has spent about 5 years in re-architecting their RDBMS, which is the flagship Oracle database, into a database for the cloud, and that is the Oracle 12c. What we have done here is we have brought multi-tenancy into the database. So I'm repeating again, we have brought multi-tenancy into the database. What you can do now is have multiple different databases plugged into the same server, same database server, and still maintain the integrity of each of the databases, and use them as if they were separate databases on different separate servers. This is something that no other database on the earth can do. And in fact, I do not believe that any other database can come close to this for the next very many years, because this is something that Oracle has done without giving up the beauty of the Oracle database, which is the scalability of the OLTP applications. So, there are two things. If you want to scale applications, the OLTP applications, then you cannot have multiple databases on the same server. But if you add multiple applications, databases on the same server, then you cannot scale the application. So these are two competing situations that are available to a database developer. Oracle has been able to marry these two together and actually provide you with the monolithic abilities of the Oracle database, along with the fact that you can have multiple databases plugged into the same database server. So that's something great about it. We believe that this will actually take the movement to the cloud and ramp up the movement to the cloud, make it faster, and people will start believing in the security aspects of the cloud. Because still now, users were not getting on the cloud because of the fact that they were not sure of the privacy of the data, about the security of the data. For example, one company would not want to keep their database along with the database of another company because there would be intermingling of data. Now with the 12c, those two companies need not be worried about it, and that is what is making a difference, right? So that's some part of it. Now coming to other things, consolidation of databases. That is the big thing for 12c again. A company which has got say 400 databases can actually bring it on and make maybe 4 or 5 databases, and that would save them money on hardware. That would save them money on the way they actually maintain the databases, the way they manage the databases, the amount of network that they need to spend on, and on space that they need to spend on everything. So the cost of ownership of databases is going to go down with 12c. So that is the other thing as far as consolidation is concerned. Apart from this, we talked about recently at an event we talked about 500 odd new features that have come up. So we have made changes to every single feature of the database. Be it partitioning, be it real application clusters, be it automatic storage management, across the board, we have made changes to the way the Oracle database is managed and the way it actually manages data. There are about 500 new features there, and that will give a lot of optimization and stuff to the developer and to the application user. The other thing is about the market. Is the market ready for this? Well, the market was waiting for it. The market was waiting for it. The market was actually yearning for a multi-tenant database, as I said, for about a decade. And Oracle, with the kind of market share we have, people were actually waiting for Oracle to come out with it, because people believe that anything that Oracle comes out with will be well tested and will stand the test of time. So Oracle took that time, and we brought this to the market, and we believe the market is ready. In fact, the migration to 12c may be the fastest migration that Oracle has seen in the past 3 or 4 migrations that have happened between different versions of the Oracle database. People moved from 7 to 8 and 8 to 8i very quickly because the internet was booming. At that time, I'm talking about 96, 97, 98 time frames. When Oracle 8i came in 98, so people moved very fast at that time. People moved again very fast from 10 to 11 because of the use of storage management and compression techniques. Now, because of the cloud, people will move extremely fast to 12c. So migration to 12c will be the fastest. And the Indian market again is very much ready, because Indian businesses, like most businesses worldwide, want to save money. And the best way to save money on your IT systems is to bring down your storage costs, bring down your database costs, bring down your hardware costs. And this is something that 12c will do, and I believe the Indian market is ready for that. Yep. Thank you.